Hola, 'tis I, Alycia. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Still looking into the Ladybird Lake Serial K in Austin, Texas to see what's going on. Next one I want to look into is there was an unidentified body found December 28th, 2022. I haven't been able to find out if that person has been identified or not. But then there was one also found December 25th, 2022, and one December 10th, 2022. So there's 3 people unidentified as far as I can tell found in the lake. So we're just going to identify them by the date, and we're starting with December 28th, 2022. Oh, tarot card, oracle card reading for entertainment purposes only, allegedly my opinion, not fact. There we go. Okay, December 28th, 2022. Oof. There's that Emperor card and a High Priestess. Okay, let's pull out the Mildred Payne. We have a Devil card here. Now, I'm not quite sure. I want to say that with this person, in my opinion, there's substances on board that are detrimental to life. However, it's like in the background, there's already something going on. There's already something that's going, like I've got too much something in my system. And the interesting part, though, here is that they walk into something, and here's the frog. It's almost like they're seeking balance again, and they walk into this messenger. I can help you, but they're like they don't even understand. They don't recognize that this person is like a devil in disguise kind of thing. You have that Emperor card. I know, I've looked at this card I don't know how many times in all of these readings. It still is not stuck in my brain yet. 31, stability. Oh, that's him again. That's the Serial K. He's giving him stability. I'm here to help you. But he's fake, because we had the frog. He's fake. And I think whoever this person was, December 28th, 2022, should have listened to their intuition, and they didn't. And the Scarab, rebirth, renewal, regeneration with the Hierophant. That's interesting. Let's see what that means. There's the road again. Hierophant, like this is the, I'm here to help you. I'm an official person. There's the lonely road. Like I'm taking you away. You need some help? It's the same idea. Should have listened to his intuition. Whoever December 28th, 2022 is, unidentified. Okay. Let's continue on. Let's see December 25th, 2022, Christmas Day. Someone is found in Lady Bird Lake. December 25th, 2022. There he is again. See, so December 28th feels more as if that person was floundering for a longer time. And this is not like what we're seeing with the first four, or the most recent four, the 2023 people. But there's the devil in the tower. This is like December 25th person. They're done with their evening, day, whatever, and they're just kind of on their way wherever as the sun's coming up, and they encounter who I think is the serial K. And the serial K already has their agenda on their mind, and you have the tower and the devil. He's already ready to go. The other person, I'm not sure, but oh, excuse me, that's my tummy. There's no weird things going on here. Oh. This is one. This is one where we were seeing that he had to move things from his house. This one he took to his house. And perhaps that last one we didn't. He took him somewhere else before putting him in the lake. But this one definitely took him to his house. Like, I don't know if this is a person who maybe doesn't have a residence and nowhere to go. 32 with the ladder. Overcoming obstacles. Of course the Emperor is here to help you overcome some obstacles. Yeah. And then there's that chalice again, which we saw many times, where it's almost like this offering to what seemed like in the past a mother type figure, and I don't know. It feels like that, but this is so. Look at the devil in the mirror, like very much aware. Like this is like feeling very much like whoever the serial K is very much established at this point by December 25th, 2022. Okay, let's go. The next one's December 10th, 2022. Same guy, in my opinion. Same guy. Got the Chariot. Okay, so this December 10th, he's got something like he was doing in the 2023 ones with the, I've got a drink here for you, but it's laced with something. This is not him. This is a different way he is operating. This is before he's getting in his current role. This is him where he's just out and he happens to be lurking around and he happens to find this person who's having a horrible night. He comes up with some story here to tell him. He recognizes that this person needs help. But the person's not that far gone. The person's toasty, I guess we'll say. I don't know exactly what's on board here, but the person's kind of toasty. And he has something else with him in the car to take him. And again, it's like, come on, come with me. I'm going to take care of you here. Life. And the illusion here is it's like he's giving a gift. It's no gift, right? Because this person ends up in the lake. Okay. Let's go to July 15th, 2022. That's another unidentified person found in Lake Ladybird. July 15th, 2022. Uh-oh. Okay, whoever July 15th, 2022, or I'm going to see here, but I think the Lover's card popped up. That popped up in the one of the people from 2023, and it might have been the Jason John reading. Similar idea, like kind of out there, tipsy, just looking to end the night. There's the official person who can help because they've had too much, and then there's this idea that they want to hook up. Doesn't go well, ends up muerto. There's our devil. He's very busy. Okay, so this one he's taking back to his house as well. But he's got to dispose of whoever July 15th is out in the water. Look over there, not here. He's wearing like, there's some type of like disguise, right? But I think there's a fight here with whoever July 15th is. They're defending themselves. They're fending off the serial K. They're defending themselves. Not that it works as they end up in the lake, but Okay, then we have January 8th. January 8th, unidentified person found in the lake. I don't know why anyone is not thinking that there is some serial K on the loose here, because now this one, I think he was looking for someone to hook up with. Not willingly necessarily on the victim's part, but I think he went out looking. I'm wondering, gosh, you know how we've seen before the chalice, and it's almost like an offering to this idea of this mom type figure or something. This time it's almost like he's brought a gift, and it's, under some type of illusions of I'm here to help you and whatnot. It's like there was a purpose looking for a hookup, but like I'm going to get something, whether that's a hookup or I'm going to end up taking their life. And curious about that. Okay, so this is just driving around. He sees January 8th on the road, on the side of the road, struggling. And he transforms from a devil into his helpful self, the official good guy, helpful self. The person, January 8th, does not want to get into the car with them. Somehow they do, though. Somehow they do. There's an offer of money and pretending they're a nice person. So this January 8th person, I don't think they had a residence, my opinion. It just feels like they're kind of out wandering, and they're lured in. Then they're given the drink to knock them out. Gosh. So this last one for 2022 that I have, I cannot confirm this one. And I found it on someone had put together a Google map of all the people found in Lady Bird Lake. And so this one was tied to a Facebook post saying somebody was missing this person. And said it was they were last seen on New Year's Eve, celebrating in downtown. And then they're found January 6, 2022. And that's the person named Rosario Lopez. And so this I can't confirm if that person was found in the lake. I can't find any extra information on this person, but let's see. There was a body that was found, but they can't tie it to this person's name. That's why there's the confusion. No official news or information was given. No. He was out there watching and waiting for him. Coming up as your friendly, helpful person, because Rosario Lopez needed help. He's watching him. He sees an opportunity. And it's like, so he was out. So I'm saying my opinion. I think Mr. Lopez here is also a victim, because it's this idea that the serial K is on the loose. He's looking, he's waiting, prime night to find somebody. It's his golden opportunity, and he's watching. He's watching. He sees someone who's vulnerable that he's going to take out. The trumpet. Communication with the departed. I think there's some type of ritual thing to this again. Hierophant. God, there's some type of official, like, not official, sorry, ritual thing to this. It's, this is, wow. So here's the interesting thing. There's 2 in January that we know of, 1 in July, and 3 in December. Why is there a break? Like, it's like 2 in January, 1 July, 1 summertime, and then 3 in December. What's going on? Why is there like big breaks, and then there's like a spree of 3, like 2, 1, 3? Why? What dictates the time gaps? Let's see. What's the reason for the gaps in between? In 2022, it's kind of like there would have been more. There would have been more, but some got away. He was definitely, my opinion, the serial K was definitely planning on having more. A lot more. But it's almost like, for whatever reason, circumstances, it didn't work out, and so he couldn't get as many as he had already decided upon. He was rather bummed about that as well, because he was going out there and making offers to people to help them, be their savior, to bring them into safety. But he definitely got some. Oh, my goodness. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, so that's 2022 for us, and I think they're all tied to this person. I'll have to see what we do next, because I'm curious about, now that this one didn't seem to have as well, a little bit of this mother figure involved, but I want to see about that. Maybe that's what we'll do in the next reading, and see what's going on with that. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.